Alright, so to use Screencastify, we're going to look up in our extension bar up top here, and you'll look for the orange arrow. It, when you hover over it, says Screencastify. Go ahead and click on that. When you first click on it, you'll be prompted to go through the setup process, but then after that, and that's really an only one-time ordeal. So any other time when you're ready to create a screencast, you will click on that extension icon and this box should pop up. Notice that you have three different options. You have your browser tab, which is just this current tab. You have your whole desktop view, which is going to show you anything on your screen. And then you have your webcam only, which is going to just act as a video camera using your embedded webcam. Notice though that we can also integrate and embed our webcam on our desktop mode and our browser tab mode. So just for right now, I'm just going to show the desktop mode, and when you are ready to record, you select your mode and you click record. This is what it looks like when you have your embedded camera. Okay, and so we want to either select your entire screen or your application screen. I'm just going to select the entire screen and I'm going to click share. Okay. Now you heard a countdown. That was the default is the 3-second countdown. You can change that in your settings. But from here, what it's doing is it's recording what is on the screen. And so now I'm going to go to anywhere that I want to, and the video is going to record as I'm changing my screen. So I'm going to look here at the portal. I'm going to go to my applications. Okay, and notice you have all of these applications from the portal. Okay, and then when you're done, you're going to click this box that says stop sharing. I'm just going to pause that for right now. So you can notice over here that it's going to be that it's uploading and it takes a little bit, and what it's going to do is it's going to save into a folder directly in your drive. Okay, now in order to be able to use this video, we'll have to change our sharing settings. This is very, very, very important. So make sure that you continue to listen here. So I'm going to go to View on Drive. Okay, this is normal. It's still processing. It takes a while to compile, but we can still change our sharing settings. Come up to these three dots right up here where it says More Actions. We're going to click on Share. Okay, and then we're going to click on Advanced right here. Right now it says Private, only you can access. I'm going to click Change. Okay, and I'm going to click either anyone at NISD can find and access, or depending on who you want to have access, maybe it's going to be shared with parents. You can put it on anyone with a link and save. Okay, now when you are ready to go, or when your video is ready to go, it will this will pop up. But for right now, we just have to sit tight and wait, but our sharing settings are ready to go. So I hope that this was helpful.